In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up canned responses in Freshdesk. Canned responses let your support team reply faster and keep messages consistent without retyping the same information over and over. I'll walk you through creating a template and show you exactly how to use it in a ticket. Start by opening Freshdesk and going to the admin area, the one with the gear icon. In the left menu, find the Agent Productivity section and select Canned Responses. If you don't see this option, you may need the correct permissions from your account administrator. Once you're on the Canned Responses page, create your first template by clicking New Canned Response. This opens a form where you'll define what the response is called and what it will say. Give your response a clear, descriptive title so agents can find it quickly, such as Refund Policy Follow-up or Shipping Delay Update. Then write the message, the exact reply content agents will use. Keep it concise, friendly, and adaptable. You can personalize it with placeholders so Freshdesk automatically fills in details when the reply is used. Common placeholders include the customer's name and the ticket ID. Placeholders pull the live information from the ticket, reducing manual edits and preventing mistakes. If your account already adds a signature automatically, avoid duplicating it in the message body. Next, decide who can use this response. Choose Myself if it's just for your personal workflow, or for drafts you're still refining. Select All Agents to make the template available across the team for consistent messaging. Pick agents in group if only specific teams, like billing, technical support, or sales, should see and use it. Setting the right availability keeps the list tidy and prevents the wrong template from appearing for the wrong team. When everything looks good, click Create to save the canned response. To use it, open any ticket and click Reply. Then, click the Canned Responses icon in the reply editor, or simply type a / to bring up your saved templates. Choose the response you created, confirm the placeholders have populated correctly, and make any final tweaks to match the customer's situation before sending. And that's it. You've successfully set up canned responses to speed up replies and maintain consistent communication. As your needs grow, keep your titles clear, review messages for accuracy, and retire templates that are no longer relevant so your team always picks the right one fast. Thanks for watching.